Applying your halo accent. Thoroughly clean the surface of your halo using microfiber cloth to remove any dust particles. With the backing still intact, start by placing the accent strip over the top of the halo. You want to feel how this will lay out on your light. Place the pre-cut hole around the halo joint and guide the sides down to align with your halo sides. You may need to remove several rhinestones from one side of the pre-cut hole to ensure an even alignment. Use a pair of tweezers to gently remove or rearrange the stones as needed. Starting with the top of the halo joint, gently peel away 3 to 4 inches of the protective back from the sides of the accent strip. Align the adhesive side of the pre-cut hole with the halo joint and lightly press down to hold it into place. Repeat for the other side around the halo joint. Once the center is attached on both sides, continue down one side of the halo. Line up the edges of the strip with the edges of the halo and pull away the backing in small sections as you move down the halo arm. It is essential to get them closely centered as possible. Continue this the entire way down the halo arm. You will have extra material at the end of the halo. Leave for now. Repeat for the other side. Gradually peel back more of the backing, keeping the edges as straight as possible. You can lift the accent strip off and put it back down if needed to align, but repeated attempts may cause stretching to the rhinestone pattern. Check over your placement and make any corrections if needed. When you are happy with your final placement, start at the top and work your way to the ends, pressing firmly on the entire halo accent to lock it into place. Locate the extra material on the ends and trim to your preference. We give you the option to leave the logo exposed, cover it to the end of the halo arm, or wrap the material around the undersection. Trim the excess material. It's a good idea to hold on to a small piece of the extra material if you ever need to fix a damaged rhinestone. The adhesive is positionable for the first 24 hours and will remain removable for up to 2 years, so you can switch them out for holidays and seasons. Our CosmoGlo accents come in a variety of fun and classic styles and colors. Check out our color logos to further complete your customized look. Get ready to make a statement and express yourself with our beautiful gemstone accent wraps. Thanks for watching. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.